Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to talk to you about these awesome Sedona Coyote tires for ATVs. These are incredible. First of all, you can tell right away they're very well made. When you're driving, it doesn't have any type of weird vibrations or any weird noises. And I really appreciate how stable they are. They're very reliable no matter what type of terrain you're on. Even if the ground is wet or if the ground's slippery, these tires drive very well. I feel very confident when I'm driving with these tires, even if I'm going at a higher speed. So if you're looking for a very reliable tire for any type of terrain, check this one out, and that is my point of view.